In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front bumper guard pad cover on your Ford F-150. This is going to be located on the front bumper. Let's get started. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop off the cover, get behind on the side, and pop it out. Use your hand and pull it straight off. Remove the metal clips using a small pry tool. Do this for all of them. Install the cover, line it up, push it into place, and make sure it's fully seated. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.